e-ImageData continues to be on the cutting edge of digital technologies in the microfilm industry and is proud to introduce the autofiche carrier. The autofiche carrier simplifies everything in the process of using and scanning microfiche. Just as roll film users can automatically scan a roll of microfilm, now microfiche users can enjoy the same automatic features and ease of use that they've come to expect from e-ImageData and the ScanPro line of products. The autofiche carrier is controlled using the familiar, easy-to-use PowerScan software. Simply select your fiche format from the film selection wizard to set up the software and automatically open the fiche carrier. Insert your fiche, click Load, and you're ready to start. Mouse over the virtual grid button and one will appear matching your fiche. Click on any cell of the virtual grid and the fiche carrier will automatically move to the corresponding image on the fiche. The autofiche carrier can also automatically capture images on fiche with the autoscan feature. Simply click a cell on the virtual grid to specify a start position, enter the number of images to be captured, and click Scan. The virtual grid will show the cell being scanned in real time. Alternatively, you can select a combination of individual images or ranges of images to scan. When you have the information you need from the microfiche, simply click Eject, and the fiche carrier opens automatically, allowing you to remove the fiche and continue with your research. Easy setup, easy loading, easy searching, and easy scanning. With the autofiche carrier, we're moving your microfiche into the digital age and making your work easier and more efficient. What's moving your microfiche? For more information, please visit e-imagedata.com.